What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed my lens that had these superficial scratches using this paste that you can find on Amazon and a Dremel and a lot of good patience. I started with a finger because I wasn't sure about how much aggressive the paste was, but then I put the polishing tip on the Dremel and continue with that. Hopefully I don't get it worse. So I saw online a video that basically the more wet you do it, the softest. So I wanna make sure it's very, very wet. Well, I can't see it. I can barely see it. It might be almost gone. What I'm gonna try to do is to even up with the rest. So as you can see where I was like, you know, where I was polishing and where I didn't. So now I'm gonna try to make it even. Well, it's pretty damn good. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put pictures of before. It was pretty much a lot of scratches, and now there's none. Just a bit of halo on where I was polishing. So I'm gonna fix that just for the aesthetic. But I think he's already made the deal. I think he's already fixed. That coating. So I think there's a coating on top. So if you don't take it off the whole thing evenly, you will still have scratches. I'm afraid to have to remove the whole bloody coating. Oh yeah, not too bad. As you can see, there's a big difference, and I think it's a good way to give a second chance to this lens, because otherwise it will be not usable. Thanks a lot to watch, guys. Subscribe to my channel to see my adventure with the GoPro, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
My name is Enrico, and I'm an equine veterinarian working in England. I love doing vlogging and photography, so stay tuned for the next adventure.